Hi guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. Today we're going to be checking out this brand new Harry Potter Slytherin scarf that I got. I'm pretty excited. We were out doing a bit of shopping and we found this in one of our favorite comic shops. And I'm proud to say that a childhood wish has been fulfilled. But well, before we get into this, guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button down below, and while you're at it, guys, make sure to hit that bell as well, so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course, guys, we should have gone over and subscribed to my awesome husband/cameraman's channel, which is called CosasParaTener. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. And I will have his links not only down in the description below, but also in the end cards. And well, guys, let's get into this. And guys, you can see that this is official Harry Potter merchandise. It has the logo there, and on the back, right there, very small, Warner Brothers. I'm very happy to have found this scarf, guys. Well, I'm gonna put this over here, and now it's time to check out the scarf. So first up, of course, we have the house crest here. This one is Slytherin, which is the house that I was originally sorted in Pottermore. Yay, and I'm so happy, because Slytherin is one of the houses that are kind of hard to find scarves for. So, at least I always had problems trying to find a scarf of Slytherin. Of course, you have the little thing that it's an official scarf there with the Harry Potter logo and the snitch around. And I'm just gonna open this up. And what's cool is here it says Slytherin, which is again the name of the house. It says it twice on the scarf, the full length, and then on the other side is a bit, as you guys can see, it's kind of giant. Oops, I'm messing up all over the place, guys. Alright, here it has Slytherin again, but this time is reversed of the other side of green and gray. And it's pretty cool. I love it so much. And it's just like the scarves in the movies. For me, this is really awesome. Tell me, guys, what do you guys think about Harry Potter, and what house were you guys sorted into? Tell me down in the comments down below. And guys, if you like Harry Potter, if you like this scarf, make sure to leave a like down below. And guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button down below. And while you're at it, guys, make sure to hit that bell as well, so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course, guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband/cameraman, whose channel is called CosasParaTener. As I said before, it's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. So make sure to go on over and subscribe to him. I will have his links down in the description below and in the end cards. And well, guys, I will see you later. Bye!